Tech moves fast, but one thing is clear: domain expertise is the real moat. Let's talk about depth over breadth. Segment 1: Gaining depth. When I started in ML, I was skimming the surface. It wasn't until I focused on computer vision and CNNs that it clicked. Why it matters: you can't just apply techniques without understanding the data. Depth turns pitiful accuracy into near perfection. Segment 2: The React Journey. I used to use Redux without a second thought. But mastery requires grasping the fundamentals of state and life cycles. Big takeaway: solid domain knowledge turns even simple ideas into incredible clean projects. Fundamentals are your superpower. Segment 3: Learning from failure. I once trained an LSTM that overfitted like a bad pair of shoes. I missed the underlying principles. Segment 4: Generative AI. Prompting feels like magic until it isn't. Tweaking prompt structure is the difference between gold and rock bottom. My hacks: use Trello for goals and Pomodoro to stay focused. Consistency is key when diving into a new niche. The bigger shift: innovation raises ethical questions. We must champion ethical practices by understanding the implications of our work. Final thought: don't just skim the surface. Dive deep and become the go-to person in your niche. Your depth is your greatest asset.